Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to take you through the complete sales cycle using Applane CRM in 7 simple steps. I hope this video helps you get a good understanding of the product. So let us start by step 1. Enter a new organization. Every sales cycle starts by inserting a new prospect. So to create a new prospect, go to the Organizations tab in the main menu and click on New Organization. A new page will open wherein you will need to fill in the required details about the organization like the organization name, its web URL, its country, specify its business unit, and then save and close. Now moving forward with step 2, start a discussion. A newly created organization automatically gets transferred to free organization. The free organization page is sorted on the basis of Google PageRank. To get an understanding of the potential of the organization, you will need to initiate a discussion. For this, click on Initiate Interaction. In this page, you will have to change the substatus from fresh to action started or interaction started, depending upon the type of interaction you have had. Interaction started implies interaction with the concerned person with whom you will be doing business. In other cases, we keep it to action started. Now go to the call interaction field and select any option from the drop-down for interaction type. Also mention the details of the interaction in the details field. Plan a follow-up on a specific date and also define the next action plan corresponding to that date. And then save and close. Now going ahead with step 3, follow up and forward the discussion. On changing the substatus of free organization, the organization gets locked in the name of the user who has initiated the interaction. Hence it appears on locked organization. Now depending upon the action you have planned for a particular date, the organization will also appear in the due actions page. On due date, you can follow up on this particular organization. Click on it to go to Record Interaction. Follow a similar pattern for setting up a follow-up date depending upon the interaction you have had. This takes us to step 4, identify and create opportunity. In order to create an opportunity from a particular lead after identifying one, you may go to Due Actions or Locked Organization. Let us create an opportunity through the Due Actions page. So click on Create Opportunity. A new page opens up wherein you will have to give your opportunity an appropriate title. Given the specific description, define its product or the technology, define its currency, give it a value, give it an expected closure date, and then save and close. The opportunity that has just been created will show in the Open Opportunities tab. Now you may also need to follow up on your opportunities. For this, go to Opportunities tab and click on Record Interactions. Follow a similar pattern by filling in the details in the call interaction field, the interaction type, the type of interaction you have had, give it a follow-up date, corresponding to it a follow-up action, and then save and close. Now moving on to step 5, follow up on opportunity. On the due date for follow-up, you will see the opportunity in Due Opportunities. Click on Record Interactions if there are any more follow-ups to be made. This process will continue till the opportunity is mature enough to be either stated as won or lost, or you may choose to create a quote. This takes us to the sixth step, that is Provide Quote. In order to request for quotation, click on Request for Quote. A new page opens for you to give it a title, specify the quote manager, give the quote a due delivery date, give it a value along with the currency specification, attach the required document, give it a description, and then save and close. Now to create a quote, you need to log in using the Quote Manager user credentials, and the role selected should be that of a quote manager. The Open Quotes page is displayed by default, wherein you will see all the due quotes. Select the quote request. You can either delegate it to someone or you may approve it yourself. Let us say you decide to approve it yourself. So click on Approve. A pop-up window opens asking for an estimation sheet. Then you may fill in your appropriate comments. And then save and close. This brings us to the last step of the sales cycle, where we will close the deal. For this, we need to go to the Sales Manager role by logging in using the Sales Manager user credentials. After we get a go-ahead from the opportunity on the quote we provided, we go to Locked or Due Opportunity. From here, we select the Won option. In this new page, we define the project name, give it a start date, give it an expected end date, define the project type, define the practice head, and then save and close. Now you can view this opportunity in the One Opportunity view. Thus, you have successfully closed a deal using Applane CRM. Congratulations.